Hello, Michael Cochran here with BentOak Capital, providing you with a brief update for December as we wrap up 2024. Please stay tuned until the end for an important disclosure statement. Stocks delivered strong performance in November, giving investors a month to remember. The S&P 500's more than 5% gain marked its best month of 2024. Several factors contributed to the market's continued upward momentum, including the U.S. economy maintaining its steady growth, Fed lowered rates as expected, which helped ease inflation concerns. Third, earnings for the third quarter were solid, showing that many companies still have strong potential. Clarity around the election, also with expectations of deregulation and tax cuts under the incoming administration, also supported the market. And lastly, the market leadership was positive, with small cap stocks and sectors such as consumer discretionary and financials leading the way, suggesting the potential for continued growth. The Thanksgiving holiday weekend also brought more positive news for the market, with encouraging data on the start of the holiday shopping season. According to MasterCard's Spending Plus survey, which tracks both online and in-store retail sales, Black Friday sales increased by 3.4% compared to 2023, with online sales rising more than 14%. Consumers continue to have strong spending power, supported by rising wages, low unemployment, and high stock prices, particularly among those who refinanced their mortgage during the pandemic. With gas prices recently dipping, the momentum for holiday shopping is likely to continue into the new year. Looking ahead, further gains may be on the horizon. Historically, stocks have shown a tendency to deliver above-average returns in December, with gains more frequent than losses, even after strong performance in the previous month. In 2025, ongoing economic and earnings growth, along with lower inflation and possibly more Federal Reserve rate cuts, could support continued stock market gains. Additionally, if investments in an artificial intelligence drive productivity improvements as many anticipate, the year could see even stronger results. With the positives out there, there are certainly risks to consider, including the remaining inflationary pressures have been difficult to eliminate, which may lead to markets' lower expectations for future rate cuts. Second, some indicators of investor sentiment are becoming overly optimistic. Third, ongoing deficit spending could push long-term interest rates even higher. Fourth, tariffs are likely to reduce company profit margins and could lead to further retaliatory measures. And lastly, geopolitical risks remain a concern, despite a temporary ceasefire between Hezbollah and Israel and discussions for a territory for peace deal in Ukraine. As the year comes to a close, we encourage you to reach out with any questions that you may have. And if you believe our firm could be of value to a colleague, family member, or friend, please feel free to contact our team or share our information with them. On behalf of the BentOak Capital team, we truly value the opportunity to work with you and your family. We want to wish you and your loved ones a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.